Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, I got another sneaker trainer kicks review for you guys, and it's a Air Force One. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this Air Force One came out recently. Let's open it and see which one it is. No. There we go. You can already see with a hat which one it is. There we are. Here we go. Yes, there we are. So as you can see, these are the new Air Force One Valentine's Day. So they made this Air Force One because, as you can see, Valentine's Day is coming soon. So they thought it would be a good idea to make an Air Force One, add just a little heart, you know, like them Supreme Air Force One, and then resell it for crazy money. I make it sell out, and then people go crazy and they pay resale. That was a good idea by Nike. Let's start off from the sole. As you can see, it's a nice little creamy sole, not white but like a cream color, yellow color. Then you have the leather, which is actually quite a good quality for an Air Force, much better than the regular ones. As you can see, it's got some nice give to it, so that is good. Then you can see the cream tick on it, which is very nice. It's a cream color, so a nice contrast. Then you've got this it's almost like a leather embossed heart that is sewed on to the side, which actually looks quite nice from far. As you can see, it's a nice little detail, not too girly but very nice. You've got the Nike Air on the back that is embossed, as you can probably see, very nice. You've got the bloody soles inside with the Nike Air, standard laces, nothing else really different. Standard tongue, nylon tongue with the Nike Air. My one's like bleeding, as you can see. It's got a bit of red everywhere, but yeah, quality control on these are actually quite nice. I haven't seen anything wrong with them. Standard Air Force One, better quality but same retail price, £95, but they're reselling like crazy. They're going to £160, £170. So if you want these ones, unfortunately now, because they are sold out, you have to pay the resale. They also came out with a pink one, Air Force Ones, for Valentine's Day, but I did not get them because they are a little bit too girly for me. But these ones are just okay. It's like a standard regular. I will quickly give you a on hand shoot, as I still don't have the budget for the on fit. As you can see, this is how they look like. Very nice, standard Air Force One. You can wear them like this, quite nice. Yeah, all in all, these Air Forces, if you like your Air Forces, I would recommend these. You cannot go wrong with a nice clean pair of Air Forces, especially with the little hat detail. So if you're hatless, this is a good one. As always, guys, if you like the review, I'm going to try to make some more reviews of new trainers. I have then some new dunks coming up, so subscribe and I'm going to catch you on the next review. As always, BFVSGF.